How was your reaction when you were told that initially you were walking the ground in Marine Parade after that in East Coast? I guess all constituencies will be hotly contested, but there are others will be more hot than others lah. So Marine Parade East Coast, especially East Coast now that you're in. How do you react to, or you rather wish to be in places like, I don't know, Ang Mo Kio?
Well, we always say every school is a good school. Every constituency is a good constituency. I think for me, it's really about understanding that as one person, you add value to the team. And if you're able to add value to the team, then it is on us to really be a part and contribute to the team. So I knew coming in that there were many possibilities as to where you're fielded. Depends on where you're needed. And I also believe that, again, right, we are where we're meant to be for a reason.
You know, Hadi, you're sort of implicit in your question. You're suggesting that East Coast will be harder than Marine Parade. I think that's, if I didn't read that wrongly. But let me share a perspective with you, right? I look after Joo Chiat constituency. It was Marine Parade. Following your logic, perhaps the easier thing to do is stay in Marine Parade, right? And let East Coast absorb Joo Chiat. But my own view was, I've spent 10 years at Joo Chiat. I built up a relationship with my Joo Chiat residents, and I am in the middle of projects. We are building a new CC. We have plans for cycling paths. We have infra upgrades coming up. Siglap and Frankel estates are about to undergo a massive, large-scale estate upgrading, one which we had pushed on for many years. It lobbied MND for many years. We recently also secured upgrade for Telok parts of Telok estate. So these to me are unfinished projects on hardware, but also at the same point in time, still building relationship with people on the ground. So I decided that I would prefer to go with Joo Chiat to East Coast, and I asked my boss whether that can be done. Yes, it's harder by your logic and by your question, but I feel that we also have to serve where you can add value. And it's not about whether the electoral outcome or the process will be harder or not harder. But to me, it's about serving in a place where I'm used to, 10 years of work there and relationships that have been formed. And I do feel that it will be disruptive to my residents at Joo Chiat if, because of this change, there's a change in the local representation. So to the extent possible, I would like to continue serving the Joo Chiat residents. And if that means going to East Coast, which by your definition is harder, then so be it. We do that.